Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. I know everybody is asking what this chef is doing here. I think maybe chef is coming here to cook something. I think chef is coming here but we'll give you some very nice menu, what we can do with the Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin, as a chef, I want to try to bring all my chefs together to let them to know chef can do something better because all of we are using money. Bitcoin is money. And I want to show you how we can do so many things about our sector, like hospitality services, catering, and restaurant. So let's see. Alors, what is Bitcoin? The first thing we need to know about it, as a chef, the Bitcoin is a currency of the future. If you use it today or you use it tomorrow, you must use this money. And why we cannot use it now? We need to start it now to use this Bitcoin to develop so many things. Now, the purpose. The term to be present, Bitcoin on an innovative tool of the developing tourism and hospitality industry in Africa. What Bitcoin can do it with this sector, what we can bring it in to develop tourism or hospitality industries in Africa. I want to present so many things here for you people to see how, as a chef, as a leader, we can do it. First, of course, I need to introduce this. I need to introduce myself for so many people to know who is speaking. My name is Joseph Lamcma. I'm a consultant in hospitality and also a trainer in culinary art. I have 14 years experience in industry hospitality. I'm from Cameroon. I'm a promoter for so many structure and association. Let's check about it. I'm the founder for one organization called Africa Gastronomy. It's represented in 26 countries in Africa. What is promoting our chef. We are doing so many services. We are trying to bring chefs together and make united so we can develop our traditional cuisine from Africa. This association has more than 270 members, 2,070 members around the African. So, the second thing, I'm the founder for the one organization, the Foundation of Mother and Child Cuisine, what is taking care of our younger child, and we have to train them, to bring them to know more our cuisine and what something they can do it to help mama back home. This is how we take care for the child, and it's like we are cooking, we bring them for the training. It's not our idea to bring them to be a chef, but it's to tell them how they can take care from themselves, because food is our healthy. This is the second. And the last point, what I have it, I'm the CEO from the one African Gastronomy Group. What is the cabinet is taking care. If somebody has a hotel like this, we come in with consulting. We can hire a chef from you. We can give you a new menu based in our local products. We train the chef. We bring so many things of them. So this is so many organizations and how we do so many things. What is the major benefit of the Bitcoin to tourism, hotel, and restaurant in Africa? This car we are putting on the way. What Bitcoin can be bring it for us? What we can do it with the Bitcoin to develop the sector? The first thing we need to implement this Bitcoin, we will take it today, like we are ready to do it, is to develop the business. And the second thing is to stabilize our economy sector, because Bitcoin is money, and everywhere the money is the same. And this is why we can see here in Ghana now, actually, currency is very low. People is crying about Chile, and you can see also Ghana. I'm coming from Cameroon, but we have 2 francs CFA. If I go to Togo, I need to change. If you are using Bitcoin, you don't need it. And so many services will be developed between if stabilize our economic business is going, we need to know so many services, so many business will be around that Bitcoin. This is the third thing we want to bring it. So, by that way, If we want to move it, what do we need to know? Why it's not moving actually in Africa? The first thing we have it here, we don't have a proper information. Since I was asking people, how do you know about Bitcoin? Everybody say, careful, be careful. The Bitcoin is not ready. So because we don't have a proper information, our people, we need to get proper information so everybody will be involved. If we inform them, the second thing we need to do is to train them. To train them how to use it. How to use the Bitcoin, because today so many people is just thinking, if I go to the Bitcoin, I need only to trade. But we have so many things we need to use. It's just only to use like you are using every currency to do your business. And now what is the sector? This is our activity sector. How we need to do it, because so many things is going on. This is the free activity sector in Africa. We need to use it by Bitcoin. First, tourism sector. Actually, it's only 2% of people is using. Tourists is coming, then can use it to do something. So it's very low. We need to do something. The hotel. Actually, it's only 1% of hotels in Africa is using Bitcoin. Means we have so many things to done from that sector. Restaurant. Actually, we have only 1% also to do it. They are trying to use it. Means we have business to do from that sector. Catering services, 0. We cannot talk about it. Counting, 0 also. 0%. People doesn't use it. And we have professional in hospitality, chef, or it can be director, it can be so many professional people. We have just only 2% is using. Means as a chef, or as a person, professional person, we have business to do use it with the Bitcoin on that sector. So, why there is now we need to take action, because we have business on the ground. We need to do something. By that way, the first thing we need to do is to organize camp activity in Africa. Because we have very big organization, we can do it because we are doing already activity. The first thing we need to do is workshop. Workshop. The first workshop we can do is to organize organization of the workshop on Bitcoin. The second, we need to do organization B2B meeting on Bitcoin so people can get more information and to how to use it. And the third training we need to do is training workshop on the user of the Bitcoin. Means my chef, because chef, some people is asking things more than 1 hour. What the chef is doing here? If we train them, we give them a proper information, tomorrow so many people will be using it. And the second action we need to take it is to do event. And we are ready to do some mini event. The first event we need to do is to organize culinary festival with a view to use Bitcoin, of the Bitcoin. And the second one, we need to organization of the tourist and gastronomic event on Bitcoin volume. The third event, this is biggest event because we organize so many international events. We need to organize event with the hotel, restaurant, and professional chef beside of Bitcoin. If we do all this is what will happen. Our expenditure result. And this from our activity is around Africa, not only for one country, because we have a system to do so many things by subscriber. We take it from 3 years. So if you see the activity sector from the tourism sector, from the first year we can put on the ground. Next year we are ready to put 2,000 tourists. The second year we have 500, and the third year we have 10,000 tourists can be used. It's possible. And hotel, we need to get next year we have 500 hotel user, and 2,000 hotel for the next year, and the third year we have 5,000. Restaurant, so we can put it on the ground now. Next year, 400 restaurant, 1,800 and 4,500 for the third years. And catering, the catering services, we can have so many catering services will be used at. It's 300 for the next year, 500 for the 2024, and the third year is or 2025, it will be 900. counting. The counting is 100 people can be, 100 counting. It's not person, it's counting, use it. And 300 for the next year. And the third year, we'll have 800. Professional means chef, director, so many people. People like chef or cooking or kitchen helper. We can talk about the housekeeper because everybody is using money. That's our job to train them to use it. Next year, we are planning to get 6,000 people use it. The 2024, we can get 10,000 people, and we are going to be 6,000 people for 2025. And the time we are organized our meeting, we can meet a professional, passionate people. They are asking about Bitcoin, and we need to make it happen for 11,000 people for the next year, 3,000 for next, and 100,000 for the next future year. This is our main result we can do for the next 3 years. So we have a lot of business to do with the Bitcoin. Okay. If we want to do it, because they're on the way, what we need it? Our resource, what we have it now to make sure we can do this. Our need. I want to see what we need to make things happen, to make this car to be running. Our resource, actually human resource. At the moment, we have 2,700 members, association representing in 26 countries in Africa. This is the human resource we have in Africa with our system, African Gastronomy Institution. Actually, the African Gastronomy Organization, is representing 26 countries in Africa. The second institution is the Foundation of Modern and Child Cuisine, what is represented actually also in 20 countries in Africa. The chef is here. We have also the African Gastronomy Group, what is the company, and more than 200 partners around 20 countries in Africa. Financial resource. This financial resource, actually, financially, we have reasonable cash flow based on event funding, membership, and sponsor from our partner and the African Gastronomy Company. This is our resource. What do we need? Our need. The first thing we need is training support because I need my chef, I need my waiter, I need people for industry to know more about how to use the beacon. The first thing we need is training support. The second thing is communication, how we need to communicate, how we need to use the platform. The second thing is monitoring support. Because it's very important to have people that can tell you, yes, this is the best way to do. This is how you can end so many things. This is how you can use it. And we need also equipment, proper equipment to use it. So we can do this. And support. This is the third first one we need. So, but where I will present my team from you before I can get some questions for so many people. So I will try to present the team that accompany me here. I will start in from the Cameroon staff. Cameroon, please. Cameroon chef. Come on, guys. We have Togo chef. Chef from Togo, please. Come on.
Let's go.
Yes. We have Benin team. Please, Benin team, come on. Botswana team, please, come on, chef. We have Burkina Faso team. Burkina Faso, please, come on, chef. And we have the biggest team is Ghana chef. Ghana chef, all of you.
Let's go.
So, it's just only to show you the chef is here. They're coming from different countries. We have also Senegal. Here, all these chefs coming from different countries to show you we are ready to take this project. We are ready to develop this. We are ready to use this money to bring Africa proud, to make exchange. So, thank you so much, guys, some family picture. And thank you so much. We are ready and we are waiting for all of you to work together to use this money as a chef to change the hospitality services industry. Thank you. Okay, I can. Now, if somebody have a question, I think it's a good time for me, guys, taking place.
All right, thank you. Would there be any questions for Chef Lamcma?
questions?
Any questions?
Questions, s'il vous plaît, s'il y a des
No
questions.
questions? There are no questions. Okay, you have a question? You have a question? Okay.
Hi. Are there any places in Accra that accept Bitcoin for food?
Sorry?
Are there any places in Accra that accept Bitcoin?
Yes.
Are there restaurants?
Yes, we are trying now to put all the rest to use it, but now we have already some partners, they are ready to use.
Yeah? Wow, nice.
Yes. So we are working on it. We have already some partner, even from Cameroon, they are ready to use. But I need to make sure to tell them yes. That's why I am here. I'm coming from Cameroon straightly to tell them yes. What I'm telling you is possible. So that's why you see all these chefs. Tomorrow we'll get chef from Benin restaurant can be used. I have a restaurant. So I will be the one to start for my restaurant. If you come to Cameroon, yes, bring a Bitcoin. I'm taking the Bitcoin. Hotel will be taken.
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
This
Thank
is what we
you
are
very
looking
much.
for. Okay.
Oh, that'll be all. Thank you very much, Jeff. Any other questions? Okay, you have a question? Okay, okay. Sorry, before you ask any question. Are there any other questions again? So we'll just take nobody else? So this is the last question we'll be taking for this session. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for supporting the hospitality industry. Our company, Digital Exchange, we are working towards that direction. I think we have fully funded with Bitcoin. We are currently developing a hotel that is fully funded with Bitcoin. And we plan to incorporate Bitcoin and crypto payments to that. Just to add up, the chefs, especially your rep here in Ghana, will try to get in touch with him and see how we can fully implement crypto payments in our hotel.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Guys, you see how it's moving. So now we are ready. Ghana is ready to take it with the chef, and thank you so much. Any question else? C'est bon, merci beaucoup. Et merci à tous les...
Okay. Thank you very much, Chef.